I don't know about you guys, but for us, Prime Day was amazing. Not only did we have really good sales, but we spent a ton of money. I have never spent so much money in a single day. We spent almost $60,000 in a single day, and all of that was purchased from Amazon. We spent maybe $5,000 to $10,000 on some other OA, but we spent $60,000 from Amazon in a single day. So how's that possible? How does this even work? As everybody knows, Prime Day is just, their mid-year big sale, big online sale for Amazon. It's still going on. It's 3 days long this year. The first day is always the biggest day. And as I told you in a previous video, when you're doing A2A flips, you cannot take advantage of Prime benefits. So how can you spend so much money on Prime Day if you're not buying Prime deals? There's plenty of other sales going on that are not Prime deals. There's just like any other day of the year, there's a lot of sales going on, but also their websites are competing against Amazon on Prime Day. So there are sales going on all over the internet, and Amazon is price matching them as well. So a lot of opportunities going on. It's constantly in flux, constantly changing. And there are even some tips and tricks that will allow you to maybe uncover some discounts and take advantage of some Prime pricing without using Prime benefits. I'm not going to spill the beans on that here. If I created a video earlier today, I put it in the Discord group for the FlipAlert community members. So if you have not taken advantage of your free trial for FlipAlert, perfect time to do that. Hop in there. You can go watch that video, and it's going to be some really good content, because not only is this applicable now, it's going to be applicable again when Q4 rolls around, when there's going to be Black Friday and all those Prime deals. These are some strategies that you can hone in now, learn it now, and next time there's Prime opportunities, maybe you'll find some stuff that you otherwise would not have seen. So real quick, I just want to show you guys what we did yesterday. Sales were really good. We did $18,000 in revenue on the first Prime Day. Today's not over. I think we'll pass 15,000 today, but the first Prime Day is always the best. So yeah, really, really strong day in sales. But the spend, oh my goodness, we did $58,000 in Amazon inventory purchases in a single day. It was 70 orders. We did 70 orders. The smallest order was $10 and the biggest order was $15,000 in a single order. I was just on a podcast with Chris Grant. He asked the question, what do you say to people that complain about, I can only get 3 units. It's not worth my time. I can only get a quantity limit of 3 on an order. We don't pass that stuff up. We take those all the time. As you can see, I bought a single item. It was $10. It was good enough margin. I bought it. Why not? Also, one order was $15,000. So we just keep getting up to bat. And, sometimes you'll find those really good ones. Now, this one was a single ASIN. We spent $15,000 on a single ASIN on a single order. So you're not going to be able to just go out and do this right away. This is coming from a couple years of experience now. Many of these things that we purchased today are things we have already purchased in the past. Some of them, it's brand new, but some of them we have more experience with, and we feel more comfortable going deeper on some of that inventory. Again, don't expect to come and start swinging home runs as soon as you start doing A2A flips. However, you stack those wins, you build the experience, you put in the reps, and just like anything else, it doesn't matter if it's Amazon related or not, or any type of Amazon reselling strategy, the more you do it, the more repetitions you put in, the easier it gets, the easier and easier it gets. So just know this is what's possible. I feel like we're still scratching the surface. I can't wait to see what's possible this Q4. So if you want to learn more about this, silentjim.com/A2A is where my course was hosted. So you could pop in there. The course is really affordable. It's $300. I'll put the link in the description. Really good content. It's still relevant. Really, really affordable. If you're ready to rock and roll, FlipAlert. You got to get into FlipAlert. And like I said, that video I posted earlier with some really good tips is available to everybody in there. So don't just go sign up. Use the promo code I'll put below. I'll put the affiliate link below as well. You get the 7-day free trial, but you also get 80% off your first month. So if you just sign up here, you get the free trial. They offer this to everybody, 7-day free trial. Do it. It's amazing. Learn it. But you can get an additional 80% off your first month after the trial if you use that link below. So I'm probably going to be sleeping in tomorrow. We'll see. It's been a long couple days, but well worth it. Totally pumped and can't wait to see what happens in Q4. I'll talk to y'all later.